Hey there, if you're over 50 and you're thinking, am I too old to start an online business? Am I too old to make money online? Let me tell you, you're not. You're not too old. You're not like behind. You're not too old because you don't know all the tech. You don't even need to create your own product. That's how simple and easy they've made starting an online business for beginners like you. Beginners in their 50s and 60s who are ready for their midlife rebellion. Now, maybe you're still working a 9 to 5, or maybe you're realizing that your retirement isn't shaping up the way you thought it would. Or maybe you're like 9 out of the 10 people I meet that have been thinking about starting a side hustle for years, but you've just like squashed those big plans and those big ideas because you didn't think you could do it and you didn't know where to start. Like, does any of this sound familiar? Are you nodding your head? If you are, stick around. I'm Kellie-Ann. I'm a business coach, and I've been helping folks like you, total beginners, start online businesses, make money from home in a simple, predictable way since 2018. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I run a clinic, I have a consulting business, and I'm a business coach. And here's what I've learned, okay, over these years. You don't need a ton of skills. You don't need multiple offers. You don't need all the platforms. You don't need a big social media following. You don't need to be a friggin' tech guru. And you don't need a ton of money to start. What you do need is one simple offer that solves one giant pain that a specific group of people have. Now, right now, one of the biggest problems people have is money. They're not making enough. They're not saving enough. They don't have enough to stretch to the end of the month. Like a 9 to 5 will pay your bills, but it's never going to allow you to live that bigger life. And for those of you over 50, like myself, retirement savings aren't going as far as we thought they'd go. So what does that mean? That means people like you are searching for answers online. They're looking for solutions to their problem of not having enough money, of how they can make extra money. Now imagine if you could be the person solving that problem with a simple offer. Today we're going to talk about what that simple offer could be. So stick around, and if you want to skip ahead, just go down to the link in the comments, click the link, and you'll get more info on the one simple offer that's helping everyday average people, beginners like you, in their 50s, in their 60s, make money online. So we're talking about digital products. You may have heard about a digital product. You may be thinking, what the heck is this? I don't even know what a digital product is. Let me tell you what it is. A digital product is something you can easily download. So it's not like a physical product that you're stocking in your basement or in your garage. It's nothing that you have to like physically cobble together and, put in a box and ship off to people. A digital product could be a mini course. It could be a video. It could be a PDF. It could be an ebook. It's something that you're going to put out into the world. It's going to exist on the World Wide Web, and when people buy it, they simply hit the download button. It's downloadable. The best news, it's super low cost to create, and it's in high demand. Now here's the amazing part. Over 50,000 people are using a simple done-for-you business, promoting simple done-for-you digital products, and they're making 5K plus months doing it. Beginners in their 50s, in their 60s. They didn't have business degrees. They didn't have a big fancy resume. They weren't like tech experts or gurus. They didn't have unlimited like deep pockets. These were everyday average people like you. The difference is they were willing to take action, to follow a simple step-by-step plan, and to stay consistent. And now it's your turn. It's your turn. I'm looking right at you. If you're thinking to yourself, geez, this sounds like me, this doesn't sound too complicated, it's because it isn't. Honestly, it isn't. Go down to the link, check out the link. I've got like a free ebook, a free blueprint, that exact step-by-step plan. You can even book a free call with me if you're super serious. Now, if you're thinking, I don't know what to sell, I can't do this, I don't have a ton of time, let me stop you right there. We're in our 50s and 60s. We've lived life. We've solved problems. We've had experiences. What makes you think that you could not be successful? You just need the right plan. You need the right product. You need the right person helping you. You need to follow in the steps of 50,000 other people who are selling a simple digital product. And that's exactly what I'm going to give you today. If you stuck around, go down to the description, click the link, drop a comment, download the free step-by-step plan, the exact step-by-step plan that I personally use, the exact step-by-step plan that beginner entrepreneurs, when they come to me for private coaching, I tell them, go get that plan, test the waters, see if you have what it takes to be an online entrepreneur. Get the products done for you. You don't have to create anything. You don't have to spend time and energy you don't have testing products. They're going to give you the products. They're going to give you the plan. They're going to give you coaching and mentorship for life. And that's what's going to make you successful, because you're not going to give up, because you're going to have someone running in the lane with you. So even if you're starting from ground zero, you have no clue. This is free. This is simple. Download the free step-by-step plan. Get info on the complete program. There are 4 different price points. Like I said, this is all for under $900. There's a different $100, $300, $600, wherever you are in life. There is a price point, an entry point for you. So don't let money be the reason or the excuse to squash your dreams any further. So you can do this. Let's get you started. Check out the button below. Drop me a comment, like and follow, all that jazz. Bye.